Hi children, how are you? Hope all of you are doing good. Okay. Today I am going to explain letters. Before that letters in previous class I explained one letter also, but I did not show the textbook. Are you all attending live classes? In that one Miss is showing textbook and related to your syllabus Miss is showing everything. You must have to concentrate on live class and video class, both children. You have to see this one and live class also. Check it. Okay children, you have to attend compulsory these two. Do you understand children? Okay. Afterwards, see, let's get into today's class. Before, in previous class I explained a letter. No, I explained as in 3 steps. In live class also Miss explained same no. Now see, this is called A. What is that? A. How it comes then? We written semicircle here and another semicircle here, and we join the small hyphen and one standing line means one, then completing with header. Now it becomes A. And another step also I shown that you can write 3 and give one small hyphen there and add T. It will become A. What is that? A. Simple, easy method. No children? And I shown that you have to write first circle very small, means little small. When you are writing next one, you have to write someone big, another one comparing to another semicircle. Okay, then use small hyphen there, and the next one standing line, and this one complete with the header. It will become A. How many steps I shown here? See, check it once. 4 times I am written. If you write 5 times this letter, no, you will get a idea and you can learn very easily, children. Okay, after next letter is A. What is that next one? A. How it comes? If you learn A is very easy. Another A is very easy. And next one I shown in the steps. See, I am going to show in the steps. First write small semicircle. In second step, again big semicircle like 3. Okay. The next, when you write next, you can write a small line there. In middle of these 2 semicircles, you have to write a line. And next line, and add one there. No, one standing line. The next what you have to do? Again repeat this one while writing A. See children, this is for 1 second you have to say A. This is for 4 seconds, at least 4 seconds you have to say. These are Hasvas. Hasva means short vowels, these are long vowels. The vowels I am teaching A to Aha, these are called in Hindi vowels, Swarakshar letters. Okay, Swarakshar letters. Swar, Hindi ke Swar. Okay, without this swar we can't write any word. Okay, you have to learn compulsory this one. Okay, if you add A, see, after this you have to join only another standing line. Then when I said up to that time you won't finish with the header. First itself don't give the header, children. What you have to do? You have to write these all the steps. Then complete with the header a small line. Slowly you have to give the line. Understand children? That will become A. What is that? A. 2 standing lines. See, in this one only one line is there. In second one, second A. How many lines? Here 2 standing lines and completed with the header. Okay. This is A. What is that? A. A say anar. A say anar. Very easy thing, you can learn the letters. What is the pronunciation of the letter? You can read through the word also. Understand children? A say anar. See, A is there. आ से अनार. Anar means pomegranate. Anar means pomegranate. See, anar means pomegranate. The next, आ से अनार, जो कोई खाए कभी ना हो बीमार, बने दमदार. आ से अनार, अनार means a pomegranate, a fruit. Okay, that fruit having vitamin A, and if you eat that fruit, no, you will get more energy, more strength, more power. Here it is given as that. A small rhyme is given with that anar. आ से अनार जो कोई खाए, आ से अनार जो कोई खाए, कभी ना हो बीमार, बने दमदार. Means they will become stronger than others, stronger than if you eat this fruit. Okay, if you eat this fruit, you will become very stronger. Understand, children? Then next, a se aam, a se. Then another one, a. This is a se anar, a se anar. A se anar means pomegranate. A se aam, a se aam. Aam means mango. See, aam means mango. Look, children, I shown the steps of this a. No, you have to practice this one in your rough book 5 times. If you write 5 times, then you learn what is the letter and what are the steps and how you are going to write it. And while writing, you have to read and write. Say the letter and write. 5 times if you are saying and writing, no, you learn the letter and you learn the letter and word also. What is the pronunciation of the letter and how to write, you learn this all. Understand, children? That's why I am showing in steps. After a, you can write another a. Very easy. If you write a, after that if you join one, it will become a se anar. By knowing the letter very well, here is small rhyme and words are given there. If you learn that word, if you say the word in Hindi, you can read the letter very easily. Okay, a se anar, a se anar. A se anar means pomegranate. Then next, a se aam, a se aam. Aam means mango. Aam means mango. Here is the aam. How many steps are shown here? See, one small semicircle. Second step, you have to write one small and another big semicircle. Then afterwards, you can write that 3 and give a small hyphen in middle of that letters. In middle of that semicircle. Afterwards, what you have to do? You have to write like a. See, here we written one standing line. We joined here only one standing line. We did not given the header. Why? Because header you have to write after completion of the letter only. Okay, while writing the letter, complete that all the steps. Then only in last you have to give the header slowly. Understand, children? See, these all the steps we written 2 standing lines. Afterwards, I have given a small header there. Completed with the header. It will become a se aam, mango. A se aam फलों का है राजा, मीठा स्वाद रस से भरा होता. See this one. If you see this one, no, by seeing the letter and picture, you can read the word. Understand, children? आ से अनार जो कोई खाए, कभी ना हो बीमार, बने दमदार. Means if you are eating this pomegranate, you will become very strongest person. Okay, children. The next second one. See here they gave the letter. They highlighted here with red pen. In your textbook, open your textbook and check it. Okay, a se aam. Here we are seeing the picture of aam. And in English also they given the pronunciation. See, a se aam. You can read in Hindi and in English also, as well as in English also. See, in English also the same spelling what is there in Hindi. Okay, what is the spelling of A-A-M? Means arm. If you join these letters, it will become आम. See, आ से आम, फलों का है राजा. This is the king of the fruits. Mango is a king of the fruits. Everybody likes this one. मीठा स्वाद. In taste it was very sweet. रस से भरा होता. It is a juicy fruit. Okay, it is a juicy fruit, and we are using as a mango shakes, mango milkshakes, mango juices. Okay, and a mango pulp also using, and raw mango also using in curries, and as well as non-vegetables and vegetables, and dal also, especially in dal, raw mango they are in, and means very popular. It was the pickle of mango pickle was very popular. Everybody, when the summer season comes, everybody is making mango pickle, and years they are keeping, and they are tasting whole the year. After having the curd rice, no, they are eating, they are using side dish as curd rice. Okay, in curd rice they are taking pickle of mango, pickle of mango. Okay, children. What is a small rhyme given here? आ से आम, आ से आम, फलों का है राजा, मीठा स्वाद. मीठा means very sweet in taste. Okay, रस से भरा होता है. It is a juicy fruit. And about mango, no, we have to know more about mango. Means it is a summer fruit, seasonal fruit, and it comes in only summer season. Okay, everybody likes this fruit. Once small to elder ones, and older ones also, everybody likes this fruit. That's why foreigners also exporting this mangoes from our country. Okay, children. Then next, everybody likes the mango very much. That's why that's why we are calling Falon ka hai Raja. Falon ka Raja means king of the fruits. Okay, children. Then after learning these letters, I said A se anar. A se what is that? Anar. Anar. By saying that anar, in that one only A sound is coming, no? That's why you have to read like this. A se anar. A se anar. A se aam. A se aam. A se anar. A se aam. Aam means mango. Okay, after that, after these two letters, next what is the letter? Next is E. See? E, it is not a difficult letter. In previous classes also I already explained. Okay, it is not a difficult letter. If you write, if you practice in your rough book this way, first small lines, 5 times. Okay, afterwards you can write yes. Okay, yes. You know English letter, no? Yes. You have to write yes. Okay, 5 times you can write yes, and afterwards a small circle and this way. If you write 9, a small 9 or a sleeping 9. Okay, we can say a sleeping 9 means curved 9. Okay, if you practice this one, you will be, if you write this one, no, if you practice in rough book, it will become very easy to write this letter. You have to join all the lines. Okay, first write on small standing line, but don't write this type, children. See, if you are writing yes, it will become ka. What you have to do? You won't have to lift the pen while writing this line, no. After a small line, you have to join the S from here and give the circle there in that one and leave it downwards. Okay, children, it will become E. Okay, this is one step to learn this all the letters, to learn this difficult letter. Okay, afterwards, what you have to do? See, another step I am going to show. First, write this one. The next, first after writing this, don't lift your pencil. Then write S. Understand, children? It is not a ka. It is not a ka. It is not a Telugu ka letter. Okay. You have to write a small line and S. You have to join these two. This line, this ka letter means this S letter. No, it won't have to come outside of this one. Okay. By writing this, you are writing this one and giving talakattu in Telugu letter. No, this is the wrong one. Means it will become the second letter. It is a Telugu letter. It will become as a Telugu letter. Understand? Here we are writing Hindi now. Then that's why what we have to do, we have to write this step compulsory. If you are writing this one, write this one. Okay. Afterwards practice this one also in your rough book. Okay. One small line and afterwards yes. Then a small circle. Give a small circle in that one, but don't lift your pencil. Okay, while writing I am taking out the pencil or I am taking out my pen. Say check it once. Okay, see this one. If you have doubt, you can see so many times and write and practice well, children. Okay, listen the live class also. Okay, children. After circle, what I do, what I done, see here. I leave that line to downwards. Okay, you have to write like that only. First itself, don't give the header. Small header. After finishing all the letter, I gave a header slowly. Understand, children? Slowly. In hurry burry, don't write. E. What is the letter? E. E say Imli. E say Imli. Imli means tamarind. Imli means tamarind. Okay, what is given in your textbook we will check. Open your textbook. See, this is the picture of E and a small rhyme is given along with all the letters. Here also given the small rhyme. Okay, and English and Hindi pronunciation both are there. See, this E letter is highlighted here and picture is given. E say Imli. E say what is the word given and what is the pronunciation of this picture in Hindi and in English. Both it is given and a small rhyme is attached with this one. A small rhyme. This rhyme, if you learn this rhyme, automatically you can learn this word. Understand, children? E say Imli. E say Imli means E say Imli hoti badi khatti. E say Imli hoti badi khatti. It is very sour in taste. Okay. Khai ise pappu, khai ise bubbly. Everybody likes this one. Means small children, they likes this sour taste. No, whatever they see by taking this one. No, khai ise pappu, khai ise bubbly. Small children also like this sour taste and they are eating this imli. Okay, as raw. But actually this imli we are using as in dal. Means curries. Example, see, if your mother is preparing pappu, in Telugu it is pappu. In that pappu, she is adding this sour taste to become khatti. No, to make it as khatti means sour taste. To get the sour taste of that dal, we are using this tamarind in that one. Understand? Then the dal will become very tasty. Okay, children, everybody likes this dal in sambar and they are making a pickle of this one and they are keeping in jar and for a year or 6 months they are keeping in that one and they are making chutneys. This chutneys also in morning breakfast, it is in morning breakfast, if you are eating doshas, in that one we are using these kind of chutneys. Everybody likes these chutneys along with the dosha. They are taking this all. Okay children, and by seeing the picture, by seeing the letter, we can read a word and a letter. We can identify the letter also. Okay children, I will show some words here, how you have to identify the letter and word. Okay, I will show it. See what I am written on the board, you have to practice. Understand children? And okay children, see here how we have to identify. No, this letter, what is the spelling of this one? What is the pronunciation of this letter? How we are going to know? See, A, E. Only 3 letters in this today's class. We learn only 3 letters. A, E. If you don't know the pronunciation, how you are going to know? See, A say anar, A say anar. Then A say am, A say am. E say imli, E say imli. See this one? By seeing this picture, we can identify the word. What is the word? And in English also pronunciation given. Okay, you can read like that. Or otherwise, if you want to read in Hindi only, how we are going to understand, how we have to identify the letter and what is the word. See here, if we are taking a particular word here, see in this word, first letter, what is the first letter given? You can identify the first letter of the word. By seeing that first letter, we can say it is A. Easily we can say A. A say, see, A it is given. A say anar. A say anar. The next, if we are seeing here also, A say am. A say am. The next, what is that? E. E say imli. E say imli. See children, I told you that these are short vowels. Here it is a one big long vowel. Okay, this is short vowel, means short vowel. For 1 second only you have to say a. Only a. Okay, the next a means long vowel. For 4 seconds you have to say children. A say am. How many seconds we are saying? You have to join this a and ma both. Understand? Then only you know the what is the pronunciation and how much time you have to say the word. Okay, a say am. E say imli. Okay, E. E means short vowel only. E say imli. 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 Okay children? Okay, in the textbook we learn the letters from A to E. A, E. Okay, practice in your rough book. Practice in your rough book 5 times. Okay, and attend the live class also. Do what Miss is saying. According to that, you must have to practice and send the work to your teacher. Okay, children. Till we meet next class. Bye.